Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a property rental business with Airbnb step by step clearly. Research your local market to understand demand and competition. Identify your target audience and the type of property they prefer. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Decide if you want to manage the property yourself or hire a property manager. Choose a suitable property that meets the needs of your target audience. Ensure the property complies with local zoning laws and regulations. Secure necessary licenses and permits for renting out short-term accommodations. Furnish and decorate the property to create an inviting atmosphere. Take high-quality photos that showcase the property's best features. Set a competitive pricing strategy based on local market rates. Create an appealing and detailed Airbnb listing using your photos. Write a compelling description highlighting unique property features and nearby attractions. Implement key safety measures, including smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms. Create clear house rules to guide guests during their stay. Set up a smooth check-in and check-out process for convenience. Establish a communication channel with guests to answer any inquiries. Monitor guest reviews and feedback for continuous improvement. Adjust your pricing and property offerings based on seasonal trends. Stay informed about changes in local rental laws and market conditions. Seek opportunities for additional income, such as cleaning fees or experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.